In today's homes, every inch of space counts, and when it comes to laundry, you need both efficiency and performance. That's where stackable washer-dryer combos make a big difference. These units are built to maximize space without sacrificing cleaning power, giving you the convenience of a full laundry setup in a smaller footprint. Whether you're in an apartment, a compact home, or simply want to free up square footage, the right stackable washer-dryer can completely change your laundry routine. In this video, we'll be covering the best stackable washer-dryers in 2025, comparing their performance, energy efficiency, smart features, and overall reliability, so you can choose the perfect fit for your home. And before we dive in, don't forget to check the links in the description. They'll take you to the latest discounts on every product we mention. Let's get started. Number 5, LG TurboWash 360 Steam Stackable Washer and Dryer Set. Based on our thorough evaluation, LG stands out as one of the most reliable and trusted household appliance brands available today. The company has earned more J.D. Power Customer Satisfaction Awards for appliances than any other manufacturer for 3 consecutive years, and its washing machines consistently require less servicing within the first year compared to many competitors. Reliability aside, this washer and dryer pair also impresses with its spacious capacities, large enough to handle bulky items like king-size comforters with ease. The washer is equipped with LG's innovative TurboWash 360 cycle, which uses powerful jets to deliver a deep and thorough clean in less time than traditional cycles, making it both time-saving and effective. On the dryer side, the machine is designed for convenience and performance. It runs quietly without vibrations, consumes energy efficiently, and includes built-in moisture sensors that detect when clothes are perfectly dry, preventing over-drying and conserving energy. Both appliances are also easy to use, featuring intuitive controls and smart features that enhance the overall laundry experience. When it comes to peace of mind, LG further sets itself apart with excellent warranty coverage. Both units come with a 1-year warranty that covers parts and labor, while the washer's motor is backed by an additional 9-year warranty, highlighting the brand's confidence in its engineering. Altogether, this LG washer and dryer pair offers a winning combination of reliability, capacity, innovation, and energy efficiency, making it a smart and dependable choice for any household. Number 4, GE UltraFresh Vent System Front-Load Washer and Electro-Dryer Set. This luxurious GE stackable washer and dryer set combines style with smart functionality, making it a standout choice for modern homes. One of its most impressive innovations is the advanced vent system, designed to eliminate and prevent odors from developing inside the drum, a common frustration with many front-loading machines. Convenience is further elevated with its automatic detergent dispenser, which holds enough detergent for up to 32 loads, ensuring each cycle gets the precise amount without requiring you to refill constantly. Health-conscious users will appreciate this Sanitize Plus allergen cycle, capable of removing up to 99% of common bacteria and allergens, making it an ideal solution for families with sensitive skin or allergies. On the drying side, performance is just as remarkable. Good Housekeeping praised the dryer's exceptional efficiency, noting it dried small loads in as little as 23 minutes, a result that outperforms many competitors. Another thoughtful touch is the seamless connectivity between the washer and dryer. The washer can automatically send the optimal drying settings to the dryer, simplifying the process, so all you need to do is press start once the clothes are transferred. Alongside these practical features, GE has paid attention to design, offering appliances with sophisticated finishes that not only function beautifully, but also add a touch of elegance to any laundry space. In short, this washer-dryer duo delivers powerful cleaning, efficient drying, and modern convenience, while doubling as a stylish upgrade for your home, making it a worthwhile investment for those who want both performance and aesthetics. Number 3, Samsung BESPOKE SAWADRET89003. The Samsung BESPOKE SAWADRET89003 is a premium entry in Samsung's bespoke appliance line, designed for those who want more than just a typical laundry machine. Unlike standard white finishes, this set offers bold and elegant color options including green, navy, and silver, giving your laundry space a modern, customized look. This stackable washer-dryer set isn't just about appearances. It's packed with high-tech features to make laundry day faster and smarter. At the heart of the system are AI-powered smart dials that streamline the control panel, while also learning and memorizing your preferred wash and dry cycles for quicker operation over time. Paired with the SmartThings app, you can start, monitor, or schedule loads directly from your phone, adding flexibility and convenience to your routine. The dryer half of the set includes advanced sensors, such as a vent sensor that monitors airflow and an interior moisture sensor that ensures clothes are perfectly dry before sending a notification to your phone. Both the washer and dryer also feature super speed options to handle laundry in less time, while multi-control functionality allows you to operate the dryer directly from the washer when paired with the bespoke stacking and multi-control combo kit, sold separately. While the high-tech nature of this set means that repairs may require professional troubleshooting, making an extended warranty a smart investment, its overall performance and convenience make it a strong contender for anyone seeking a luxury laundry solution. With sleek design, app connectivity, advanced drying precision, and AI learning technology, the Samsung Bespoke SAWADRET89003 offers a balance of style, efficiency, and innovation, making it ideal for modern households that value both form and function in their appliances. Number 2. Electrolux Smartboost Front-Load Washer and Electric Dryer Set. What makes the Electrolux washer-dryer combo stand out is its innovative Smartboost feature, which uses an extra water pump to pre-mix detergent or fabric softener with water before it ever touches your clothes, ensuring every fiber gets even exposure for a more effective clean. On top of that, it incorporates steam technology to help lift dirt and refresh fabrics more thoroughly, while a 15-minute fast wash cycle comes in clutch when you need something cleaned in a hurry before heading out. Electrolux also introduces an exclusive stain soak option, which takes the guesswork out of stain removal by automatically choosing the ideal combination of tumbling action, detergent concentration, and water temperature for tough messes such as blood, chocolate, or red wine, stains that often leave you scrambling with less advanced machines. The washer's intuitive display makes it easy to select stain-specific treatments, giving you confidence that your laundry is receiving the right care. Beyond washing, the dryer is equally impressive, especially in situations where time is short. If you accidentally spill water on your pants or need a small item dried quickly, its 15-minute quick-dry cycle gets clothes ready in record time without compromising efficiency. This balance of smart cleaning features, speed, and fabric care is what makes Electrolux a standout choice for households that want performance and convenience in one machine. It's not just about getting laundry done. It's about doing it smarter, faster, and with a level of precision that keeps your clothes looking their best. Number 1. LG WashTower Electric Stacked Laundry Center. The LG WashTower is a premium 2-in-1 laundry solution that combines a full-size washer and dryer in a single, space-saving unit, with a dryer on top and the washer beneath. Unlike traditional stacked machines, it's 3.5 inches shorter than most combos, making it easier to load and unload while freeing up laundry room space. Available in 3 elegant finishes, it blends style with impressive functionality. What makes it stand out is its smart connectivity. The washer and dryer communicate to save energy, optimize performance, and cut down laundry times. For example, the dryer can preheat before the wash cycle ends for a smooth transition. Built-in sensors detect fabric texture and load size, then adjust wash motions, cycle settings, and water temperature for a customized clean. In cleaning lab tests by the Good Housekeeping Institute, the WashTower was praised as incredibly easy to use, especially for shorter users. Cycles were both fast and gentle, while extras like steam-freshened, lightly worn clothes without a full wash. For homes with gas hookups, LG also offers a gas power version, and the LG Studio WashTower adds a stainless steel build, an 11% larger washer, and a sleek professional-grade look. With its mix of efficiency, innovation, and design, the LG WashTower redefines modern laundry appliances in both performance and style. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment with your thoughts or ideas for the next one. I'd love to hear from you. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.